Imagine yourself in this 2011 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck 4x4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, privacy glass, sliding rear window, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input and split bench seat. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.